Moving on to photos and videos. This is a section where you get to see every photo and video uploaded to your Google profile, whether uploaded directly by you or through RankLocal. So you can view all the photos and videos here, and if you feel like removing any of them, you can do it directly from the RankLocal app itself. Now, what is Local Rank Checker? Many of you may have wondered how your business ranks and what position your business appears in when people search for it. That's why we built the Rank Checker inside RankLocal, so that you can understand how your business is ranking for different search terms. For example, I'll show you a demo. I'm going to select this location and search for service apartment near me. I can choose any radius I want. I can select 1 kilometer or even up to 20 kilometers. Let's say I'm choosing a 20 kilometer radius. Let's see how my profile ranks when somebody searches for this keyword. It says I rank number 5 within a 20 kilometer radius. When you scroll down, you get to see your business here. You'll also see other businesses that are ranking within that radius with higher rankings. Now, let's narrow the search down to a 5 kilometer radius. Now my ranking is number 4. So what happens is you get to understand what your Google profile's ranking position is after doing all of this. My recommendation to all of you is not just to use RankLocal occasionally, but to use it regularly so that your rankings improve over time. Make sure your profile is fully optimized. Ensure that reviews are replied to on time. If you want, you can enable auto reply, which is much more convenient. Also, make sure you're generating posts regularly to show Google's AI and algorithm that you're active and serious about your business on Google. Because Google will never promote or push a Google profile that isn't active. There are thousands of business profiles on Google Maps. Many of you already know this. There are thousands of restaurant listings. But when someone searches for a restaurant, Google doesn't promote a profile that isn't active. It promotes businesses that are active, engaging, and have a good number of reviews. So always make sure all these checks are in place so that your rankings improve consistently. Imagine trying to do all of this manually. You would have to manage multiple platforms. You'd go to one platform for designing, then come back to RankLocal, then open your Google profile, then Google Maps, and so on. That becomes a big hassle. But inside RankLocal, you can manage everything from a single dashboard without switching between multiple platforms. Moving on, there's something called Social Post. This feature is currently in the testing phase. Most of you are already active on Instagram, and some of you have just started. We're integrating with Meta, and it's currently under testing. Once it's available, every image or video you create using RankLocal can be published directly to your Instagram page with captions and hashtags. You won't have to download the image, open Instagram, upload it manually, type the caption, paste the hashtags, and publish it separately. You can do everything with just a single tap inside RankLocal. Now, for those of you who have used Google Ads, or even those who have no idea how Google Ads works, I'll tell you something. Google Ads can be quite complicated. Many people find the dashboard difficult to understand because it contains many technical settings. Inside RankLocal, we're building a new system where you'll be able to run Google Ads using just a few prompts, just like creating an AI image or an AI video. You won't have to make technical changes yourself. You'll simply give a prompt and the system will help you generate your Google Ads with minimal technical knowledge. This feature is currently under testing. Once it's available to the public, you'll be notified. Now, the last section of our training is called Settings. As most of you know, Settings is where you update your phone number, passwords, and notifications. If you want to enable WhatsApp notifications, where you're notified whenever reviews come in, you can enable them here. Or, if you're busy and don't want to be disturbed, you can disable them as well. And Connections is where you connect your Google account, Instagram account, and access your legal documents.